Hello students, welcome to Vidya Pratishthan's Kamalnayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. I am Dr. Vipin B. Gawande, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Nowadays, students are fascinated about the emerging technologies like Internet of Things, machine learning, 3D printing, augmented reality and virtual reality. So in our department, we are working on these current technologies and we have come up with the augmented reality app for you. We have developed this app along with the third year engineering students, and through this app you can view the facilities and achievements of our department in the virtual screen. Okay, so let me show you how this app work. So first of all, you have this image. So you will get this image. You have to scan this QR code. Okay. So go to the scanner. Okay, and then scan this QR code. Once you scan this QR code, so it will direct you to the drive. And on the drive you will see this AR mechanical app, and there is one image is there. So you click on this app and download this app. It will ask for certain permission, give certain permission to that app, and it will get downloaded on your mobile. Then take this image, or you take the print of this image, or you put this image on the another mobile. There is one PDF file also there. The procedure for using this app, it is also given in the PDF file. Okay. Now once you download this app, so then it will come in the form of this AR mechanical. So you have to open this app. Okay, so once you open this app, then you have to keep this image horizontal. Okay, and then you have to scan this image. Okay, so until you will get the virtual plane. Okay, if virtual plane if it doesn't appear, so then you with your finger you close this button. Okay, you put your finger in between the mobile phone and the image, so you will get this virtual image there. And for that particular you have closed this metrology and quality control lab, so the video for that lab, it will appear on the screen. So to get the next lab, so you have to zoom the mobile phone to that app, to that lab, and put your finger in between the mobile phone and the image. So the video of that particular lab, it will appear on the screen.
Department of Mechanical Engineering, VPKBIT Baramati. I take this opportunity.
So this is the now the virtual screen. So see there. See here, this is the virtual screen is there, and your video is playing on that virtual screen.
Along with the faculty from our department.
So likewise, don't move your mobile phone away from the image, but you can move 360 around that screen.
3D printers in various the project
Okay. To
exhibitions.
see the next video,
a lot of appreciation for this.
you have to again
Welcome.
you have to take the mobile closer to the particular lab, and then put your finger in between the mobile phone and that particular image. So now the robotics and automation lab video will start.
Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya Pratishthan's Mechanical Engineering Department. Here we have sent you for the industrial robotics
Then
simulation.
the next lab. So this is the welcome address from our HOD.
Welcome to Vidya Pratishthan Baramati. Here at our engineering college, VPKBIT Baramati, in Mechanical Engineering Department, we have few unique things to tell you guys. We have world-class infrastructure. Apart from world-class infrastructure, we have faculties trained from most of the reputed organizations and recognized organizations nationally.
So I hope you will enjoy this app.
We have
So please download it and
PhD
use
from
this app.
United
Thank you very much.
States. We have faculties who